Whoa. Hey, I'm Joel Life with the Tube Dude. Today we're talking about the TSM-2500 tube facing machine. Let's get into it. The TSM-2500 is a benchtop tube facing machine. That means you can put it on a bench like I have over there. It goes from a 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches in capacity. Today we're cutting 2.5 inch tube. Let's go look over the features. So walking through the TSM-2500 here, starting from the front, we have our collets in here. Got a 2.5 inch collet for our 2.5 inch tube. In the very front, we have a 3-blade cutting head. So let's load up to 3 different tool bits at the same time, do a compound bevel, do a bevel with a flat, a J bevel with a flat. It's a huge time saver, one of these kind of secret techniques to get these really difficult edge preps, joint preps, all in one setup. Same amount of time it takes us to do a flat cut. Coming to the back side here, we have our feed handle. This is what actually advances the blade. And then finally, we have a drill that does the drilling. I don't know what else to say here. Generally set up with a quarter drill, since it's a benchtop unit, but some people do want to run a cordless drill here. Works with either one, as provided. So, you know what? I say the best way to show this stuff off is just to go ahead and use it. Grab my safeties here. So coming from the beginning here, we're just gonna load that collet up. Goes right in. Take our tube. This comes in, here we go. It's in. I like to touch off the tool, then back it off just a little bit so that when I start the tool up, it won't catch on that tube face here. Okay, we have that. It's pretty much all we have. We can come over here, start the drill up, and then we use the feed handle back here to advance it and make the cut. Let's do that. Back it off. As you can see here, make sure not too hot. Gives you nice big chips here. Designed so that the chips go away from the tube. If you're doing electropolished tube, handrails, things of that nature, you don't want scratches. Whoa. This is exactly what it was designed for in the original place. Doing electropolished tube without scratching the surfaces. Anyways, come off of here, pull it out, get that nice mirror finish. No burrs on the inside or outside. Whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. You get like a mirror cut here. No burrs on the inside or outside. That's ready to go into welding. Just like that. Just hit it with some acetone. You're ready. And that was a walkthrough of the TSM-2500 tube facing machine. You can find them on donuttools.com. I don't know what else to say.